Namaste students. In previous video we discussed about introduction class on linear equation in one variable, and also we discussed how to find the answer or solution for the given equation. Now I am going to start worksheet 1. First main, solve the following equations and verify your answers. Under that, first question, p plus 7 divided by p minus 6 is equals to 1 by 3. Here you have to solve the equation, find the p value, later you have to verify the answer. First step you have to go for cross multiplication. In the cross multiplication, LHS part numerator multiply with the denominator of the RHS part, and denominator of the LHS part multiply to the RHS part of the numerator. So write down like this symbol. P plus 7 multiply with 3, P minus 6 multiply with 1. 3 into P plus 7 is equals to 1 into P minus 6. 3 into P, 3P plus 3 sevens are 21 is equals to P minus 6. Next step, transposing the terms. Take all the P terms to one side and constant terms to the another side. 3P, here P is in the RHS side, take to the LHS side. Plus P converting as minus P is equals to minus 6, right as it is. Plus 21 take to the RHS side, it becomes minus 21. While transposing the terms, you have to carefully change the sign also. 3P minus P is 2P is equals to minus into minus plus, 21 plus 6 is 27, greater number sign is minus. Only you need P value. P is with 2. 2 you have to take to the RHS side. Minus 27 right as it is. Here P is multiplied with 2. When you take to the RHS side, multiplication becomes division. Then divide minus 27 by 2. Then we got the P value is minus 27 by 2. Next we have to verify our answer whether P value is minus 27 by 2 is correct or not. You have to verify. Next write down verification. While doing the verification, what question given, write as it is. P plus 7 divided by P minus 6 is equals to 1 upon 3. Put P value. P value what we got here, minus 27 by 2. In LHS part, LHS is P plus 7 divided by P minus 6 is equals to P value is minus 27 by 2 plus 7 whole divided by minus 27 by 2 minus 6. Wherever P is there, just write down P value minus 27 by 2. The next step, in the numerator, one rational number, another number is whole number. Here we can't add directly, so we have to go for LCM. Take LCM. Here LCM is 2 because here there is no number means 1. 7 by 1. 1 and 2 LCM is 2. Write down 2 LCM. Minus 27 write as it is. Here in the denominator 1 you can go for directly 7 2s are 14 plus 14 divided by. In the denominator also same you have to do. LCM is 2 minus 27 minus 6 by 1, nothing but 6 2s are 12 minus 12. Next, minus into plus minus. 27 minus 14 is 30. Greater number sign minus. Minus 30 whole divided by 2 right as it is. Then whole divided by minus into minus plus 27 plus 12 is 39. Greater number sign minus. Minus 39 divide by 2 right as it is. Next step, numerator write as it is. Numerator is 13 by 2 right as it is. Denominator, here division symbol I am going to change as multiplication. Then denominator you have to write as reciprocal. Minus 13 by 2 is going to convert as 2 by minus 39. 2 ones are get cancelled. Minus 13 divided by minus 39 left. Minus divide by minus is plus. 13 ones are 13 threes are. 13 ones are 13 threes are. 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. By considering LHS, we proved RHS. Here LHS is equals to RHS. Here 1 by 3. By substituting the P value, we got LHS value is 1 by 3. In RHS what given here? 1 by 3. Then what answer we proved here, that is the correct. Last you have to write hence verified. This is the solution for the first question. Second question, x minus 2 divided by 6x plus 1 is equals to 1. Very simple question here. Go for cross multiplication. X minus 2 is equals to 6x plus 1 into 1, you will get 6x plus 1 as it is. Write directly. Here transpose the like terms. 6x write as it is. 6x take to the LHS, it becomes minus 6x is equals to 1 left here. Minus 2 take to the RHS side, it becomes plus 2. Here x minus 6x you will get minus 5x equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. Only you need x value. 3 divided by minus 5, because minus 5 multiplied with x, when you take to the RHS side, it becomes division. X value is 3 divided by minus 5, or x is equals to minus 3 by 5 also you can write. Next, what you have to do? Verification. In verification, write down the question as it is. X minus 2 divided by 6x plus 1 is equals to 1. So here what you have to do? Put x value. X value what we got here? Minus 3 by 5. In which part you have to substitute the x value? In the LHS part. Consider LHS. X minus 2 divided by 6x plus 1. What is x value here? Minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Substitute wherever x is there. Divided by 6 into minus 3 by 5 plus 1. The next step. Minus 3 by 5 minus 2 write as it is. 6 3s are 18. Minus 18 divided by 5 plus 1. In the numerator take LCM. LCM is 5. Minus 3. 5 2s are 10. Minus 10. Whole divided by. Again LCM is 5. Minus 18 write as it is. 5 1s are 5 plus 5. Minus into minus plus. 10 plus 3 is 13. Greater number sign minus 13 divided by 5. Whole divided by. Minus into plus. Minus 18 minus 5, 13. Greater number sign minus divided by 5. Write as it is. Next, minus 13 by 5. This division converting into multiplication. Then minus 13 by 5. Write as reciprocal. 5 by minus 13. Minus 13 get cancelled. 5 get cancelled. Remaining is 1. By taking LHS, we proved RHS. Here we got RHS. Then LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. This is the solution for second question. Question number 3. 3x divided by 5x minus 5 is equals to minus 1. Go for cross multiplication. In cross multiplication, while doing cross multiplication, 3x, here nothing is there, means divide by 1 is there, minus 1 by 1. Then 3x into 1 is equals to denominator of the LHS multiplied to the numerator of the RHS. Then you will get minus 1 into 5x minus 5. While doing the cross multiplication, you will get like this. In the next step, 3x write as it is. Minus 1 multiply inside the bracket, then it becomes minus 5x plus 5. Take all the like terms to one side. 3x minus 5x becomes plus 5x equal to 5, right, as it is. 5 plus 3x is 5x plus 3x is 8x equal to 5, x equal to 5 by 8. Here we got solution x as 5 by 8. Next you have to verify. In verification part, write down question as it is. 3x divided by 5x minus 5 equal to minus 1. Put x value. X value what we got here? 5 by 8 in the LHS part. 3x divided by 5x minus 5. 3. X value is 5 by 8 whole divided by 5 into 5 by 8 minus 5. 3 5s are 15. 15 by 8 whole divided by 5 5s are 25 by 8 minus 5, right as it is. Numerator write as it is. In the denominator take LCM. LCM is 8. 25 write as it is. Because if you divide 8 divide by 8 means 1 you will get. 1 into 25 you will get 25 minus 8 5s are 40. 15 by 8 numerator part write as it is. Whole divided by 25 minus 40, nothing but plus into minus minus 40 minus 25, 15 you will get. Greater number sign minus, minus 15 divided by 8. Numerator write as it is 15 by 8. Denominator convert the division into multiplication and this one converting as reciprocal 8 by minus 15. 8 ones are 8 ones are 15 ones are 15 minus 1s are. Then what we got here? Minus 1. So, by taking LHS, we proved RHS. RHS is minus 1. That we proved here. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Hence, verified. Hence, verified. Question number 4. 2x minus 1 divided by 5x equal to minus 1 upon 6. Go for cross multiplication. 6 multiplied with 2x minus 1 is equals to minus 1 multiplied with 5x. 6 2s are 12x minus 6 1s are 6 equal to minus 5x. Minus 1 into 5x is minus 5x. 12x minus 5x take to the LHS side, it convert into plus 5x is equals to minus 6 take to the RHS side, this becomes plus 6. 12x plus 5x is 17x plus 17x equal to 6. X is equals to 6 by 17. This is the x value. Next, verification. In verification, write down question as it is. 2x minus 1 divided by 5x equal to minus 1 by 6. Put x value 6 by 17. By considering LHS, 2x minus 1 divided by 5x, substitute the x value 6 by 17. 2 into 6 by 17 minus 1 whole divided by 5 into 6 by 17. 6 2s are 12 by 17 minus 1 divided by 5 6 are 30 divided by 17. Take LCM to the numerator. LCM is 17. 12 write as it is. 17 ones are 17 minus 17 whole divided by 30 by 17. 17 minus 12 you will get 15. Sorry, 5. 17 minus 12 you will get 5. Greater number sign minus divided by 17 whole divided by 30 by 17. Again next step minus 7 by 5 by 17 write as it is. this reciprocal denominator, write in reciprocal 30 by 17 by 30. 17 get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 6 are minus 1 upon 6. So what we got here? RHS. RHS is minus 1 upon 6. Here also after simplification we got RHS value is minus 1 upon 6. LHS is equals to RHS. Hence verify. Number 5. 4x plus 1 divided by 3x minus 1 equal to minus 2. Go for cross multiplication. 4x plus 1 write as it is. 3x minus 1 multiply with minus 2. Minus 2 into 3x minus 1. 4x plus 1 write as it is. Minus 2 into 3x minus 6x. Minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2. 4x minus 6x. If you take to the RHS side, it converts into plus 6x. 2 write as it is, plus 1 take to the RHS side, it becomes minus 1. 10x is equals to 1. X equal to 1 upon 10. This is the x value. Next, verification. Verification, write the question as it is. 4x plus 1 divided by 3x minus 1 is equals to minus 2. Put x value 1 upon 10. By considering LHS, 4x plus 1 divided by 3x minus 1. 4 into 1 upon 10 plus 1 divided by 3 into 1 upon 10 minus 1. 4 by 10 plus 1 whole divided by 3 by 10 minus 1. LCM, 10 is the LCM. 4 plus 10 whole divided by 3 minus 10. 10 ones are 10. 3 minus 10. 4 plus 10, 40 divided by 10 whole divided by minus 7 by 10. 40 by 10 into 10 by minus 7. Division changes into multiplication, then write down minus 7 by 10 as 10 by minus 7. 10 get cancelled. 7 ones are 7 twos are. Here minus left, minus 2. LHS and RHS we got same. LHS and RHS equal, hence verified.